Two sons, both lost, both searching. One ran away, one stayed home. One tried everything, one became responsible in hopes of being enough. Neither knew what the father meant when he said he loved them. So the father went after them both. This is not a story of rules, not a story of payback. This is a story of grace. This story entangles the lives of transactional faith through the lens of the two lost sons, revealing grace as God's relentless relational pursuit. The Father is all about restoring the relationship, even though there is a cost to the Father. Is this how you understand amazing grace? Have you wondered why grace is considered amazing? The story of two lost sons, a small book, a big truth. You are pursued. We're all born into this world looking to be found.